Do you want to take control of your finances? Taking the reins of your financial life isn't just about making ends meet, it's about crafting a plan, understanding where every dollar goes, and making conscious decisions to fund your dreams and secure your future. Personal finance management is the cornerstone of financial independence and a stress-free life. Imagine having a clear roadmap to your financial goals, be it buying a home, a dream vacation, or even an early retirement. Picture yourself not losing sleep over unexpected expenses because you've planned for them. That's the power of effective financial management. It's not about earning more, it's about making the most of what you've got. It's time to leave the fear of the unknown behind. It's time to step up and take control, to make your money work for you. Yes, it can be challenging, but the reward of achieving financial freedom is worth every effort. So, are you ready to dive into the world of personal finance? First step on this journey is setting your financial goals. Now you might wonder, why is this so important? Well, imagine embarking on a road trip without a destination in mind. You'd just be driving aimlessly without a clear direction. The same applies to your finances. Setting clear and realistic financial goals gives you a roadmap. It's like your personal guide, helping you navigate through the financial landscape. Whether you dream of buying a house, starting a business, retiring comfortably, or simply getting out of debt, having a goal in place is the foundation of financial planning, but it doesn't stop there. Your financial goals also serve as milestones, helping you track your progress. Each time you achieve a goal, it's a victory to celebrate. It's a tangible way of seeing how far you've come in your financial journey. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Now that you have your goals, let's create a budget. A budget is more than just a spreadsheet with numbers. It's a roadmap for your financial journey. And like any good roadmap, it helps you figure out where you are, where you want to go, and the best way to get there. Budgeting is all about striking a balance between your income and expenses. It's a tool that helps you control your spending so you can save more. Think of it as the financial equivalent of a diet plan. Just as a diet plan helps you manage your calorie intake, a budget plan helps you manage your money intake. There are different methods of budgeting, each with its own strengths. Some people prefer the envelope method, dividing their money into physical envelopes for each category of expenses. Others might opt for the zero-based budgeting method where every dollar has a job. Remember, the best budgeting method is the one that works for you. The goal here is not to restrict your spending but to understand it better and make informed decisions. A budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Next, let's build an emergency fund. Now you might be wondering, what is an emergency fund? Well, an emergency fund is essentially a stash of money set aside to cover the financial surprises that life throws your way. These unexpected events can be stressful and costly. Think of a medical emergency or sudden loss of income. Having an emergency fund provides a safety net against these unforeseen expenses. It gives you peace of mind knowing that, should something happen, you can cope financially without resorting to credit cards or loans. So how much should you aim for in your emergency fund? A good rule of thumb is to have enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Remember, it's not about the amount you save each month, but rather, the consistency of saving that matters. Start small, be consistent, and before you know it, you'll have a robust emergency fund. An emergency fund is not just a good idea, it's your financial lifeline. Last but not least, start investing. You've taken control of your finances, set your goals, created a budget, and built an emergency fund. Now it's time to make your money work for you. Investing is the key to long-term financial growth. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a mighty tree. Over time, your initial investment can multiply, building wealth that can help you reach your financial goals. Whether it's a comfortable retirement, a dream vacation, or a legacy to leave your loved ones, investing can help you get there. There are many different investment options available, from stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds. The best option for you will depend on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. It may seem daunting at first, but with research and careful planning, you can navigate the investment landscape. Investing is not about getting rich quick, it's about getting rich slow.